Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to give multiple job opportunities from all over India. So watch the video till end, don't skip it out. If you are not subscribed, just subscribe. Then only you may get more update from my channel. So almost 15 companies I am going to give you explanation. So don't skip the video. If you skip, you will miss so many content while explaining from all over India, from Chennai to Kashmir, from Delhi, Noida, Pune, all state which I am covering the jobs from all IT MNCs from the last hiring of 2022. So watch the video till end. If you have any doubt, you can comment me. I surely help you. So the first one going to be on Cognizant started their hiring for BSc role, contact support team from Electronic Cities Bangalore and Pune, which is going to be in 10th is the last date to apply in SuperSet. I will put a link in the description how to create a SuperSet account. Watch that and create account. This is for 3-year graduate students who also completed BCom, BBA, BSc. All department can apply for the role. So without creating SuperSet account, you cannot apply. Next one going to be junior engineering from intern from Consultant Stone started their hiring for freshers. So they mentioned about the front end role and all IT companies requires an SQL learned students, which is SQL is main. So you can search it in Google and you can start study SQL is main for all IT companies. So this is for engineering and MCA freshers. And here is what the first opportunities from the talented off campus from all over India. And the next one going to be DCC Associated Software Engineering and CET from 5.5 to 6.5 LPA, 0 to 1 year of experience, good communication skill 60%, 2022 passed out from mechanical, electrical, mechatronics and similar background, 1 to tier engineering college, top tier engineering college. So they mentioned here. So you can start apply. And the next one going to be Tenable Software Engineering intern from Pune. So this is what the opportunities from all over India, which they mention about the skill required and what all the things they are working there. And next one going to be a main one, which is going to be an indicative job application form. So here you are going to fill the mandatory things, which is start things and all mandatory, name, contact number, and which is going to be, if you are freshers, just give 0 to 6 months and email ID, NA, and here they mention please mention your primary skill and Java is main. So if you have done any certification or internship in Java, you should mention here. So the notice period, please mention your amount of holding and expertise CTC and all kind of things you should mention here. So don't forget to mention your internship training as well as the skill set. And the next one going to be QA engineering from Polas from Electronic Cities from all over India. Don't pay any amount, they won't charge. About the location, title, all kind of things they can mention here. BE Tech, ME Tech from 2021 and 2022 can apply. Any one language in Python, Java or C++, any one language, you should be very flexible to work for this company. So don't apply without SQL. SQL is main, and add any one coding language. So it will be helpful for you while selecting resume shortlisting. And the next one going to be technical support from freshers from LinkedIn profile. If you are not create account, just start creating account and start apply here from the Pune location. Those who are looking, this is what they mentioned. Graduate only, freshers can apply. Chat, email and communication skill, which they mentioned. Bridge from started their multiple role for 2022 student from software developer engineering from freshers for the front end and back end. This is for 2 years of experience and 1 to 5 years and specialization and year of experience, all the things which I mentioned here itself. So you can visit our channel and you can share this to your friends also. And this is what they from 5.3 to 5.33, which is going to be a Bridge started their hiring for software development engineering from 2023 freshers only. So you can share this video to 2023 freshers from Hyderabad, Telangana. So they started their hiring. 2023 freshers from front end or back end, and you should be very proficient in any one language like Angular, Android, .NET, Java, anyone. You should be very flexible, and these are all the things they are expecting from students. So which I mentioned already, SQL or MySQL, which they mention here itself. So you should be very proficiency in SQL, then only you may get a good CTC package. And the next one going to be electronic cities from Tata's started their hiring for electrical skill based company. So I'll put a link on the description how to create a first Naukri account. You can start create account and then apply. So here too they can mention about the skill set. BTech, MEM Tech from ECE and a EEE student from full time they can apply. So you should buy a premium pack for first Naukri, and after application you may get an exam link, then you can start writing. So please mention the skill set which they mentioned here. So without mention PowerPoint, Excel in your resume, it will be hard to select you. So please mention guys. And the last most thing, TCS started their hiring. I will put a link in the description how to create a TCS account. So this is for BSc student from 3 years graduate. So you can create account and then start apply. So you can watch out that eligible criteria. Full time with no arrears. Part time student should not apply. BSc, MSc, Pharma 2021 and 2022 all can apply for the role which I mentioned. ITCS only full time in arts, commerce as well as science graduate they can apply for the role. Recognized universities and the test pattern which they mentioned here. Verbal, numerical, reasoning all can apply for the role, and you can study the frequency asked question about the offer letter, test, all kind of thing they can mention here itself. So watch the 2 video how to create account and then start apply. Without creating TCS account you cannot start apply. So this is what the main login page. So CTDT all are same. Without this link name you cannot apply guys. And the foremost thing, at the end of this November 5 is the last day to apply for HCL. So you should fill your name as per the 10th mark sheet, and your last name or middle name just keep it out here itself, and your email ID, date of birth, residency address. Only flat name they are asking, just give your flat name 27 or 78 any game, and your street name and your city in Aadhaar card, which is going to be district, and your state, all the state which they mentioned here, and your pin code, country, contact number, alternate number, nationality Indian, gender male, 10th passing. They didn't mention about the criteria, so anything you can apply. So 55 also you can apply, and here they mention which they mention. Sorry guys, by mistake, this is year of passing, you should mention the year of passing. Here they mention about the eligible criteria. If you are 64 you are not eligible, 65 only eligible guys. So 65 to 100 board of institute year of passing, this is also been 65%, and UG, PG, all MA means mechanical engineer, so you can mention here. Others you can give civil also, mechatronics all can give. UG specialization also you should be 65%, and if you are done PG just give PG, otherwise submit it. And this is going to be an hybrid from SAGLIT Associated Software Engineering from Bangalore, 4 to 5 LPA which I mentioned. So this is what the good package from all over India. Diploma and computer science engineering related in .NET is main. So we are going to work in .NET, and the relationship and the network engineering building and the flexible working opportunity, leadership, all kind of role for only degree as well as diploma. So don't hesitate to apply this kind of companies. This is most valuable companies in IT sector. So start applying, one of the easiest way to get a job. 4 to 4.5, don't pay any amount, they won't charge. And the next one will be graduate software engineering from full-time Bangalore from Levier starter and the Couchbase company, which they mention C, C++, Java, any one language you should be very proficiency. BTech from all department can apply for the role. 0 to 1 year of experience. and you can search this bar directly, and this is what they're from. Last Kuptam from software engineering, which is from Hyderabad. Almost 5 to 6 companies I mentioned Hyderabad. So this is what they're from. B Tech, M Tech, all can apply for the role. So please mention the skill set which they mentioned here. So these are the companies which I am provided today. So if you have any doubt, comment me. You can share this video to your friends. If you are not subscribed, just subscribe and like my channel. So if any question, you can comment me. I will help you guys. Thanks for watching.